Thanks for this excellent opportunity. This video presentation is on SIA calculator, which is made easy to use on mobile phone also. It calculates SIA by both vector and polar method. I have no financial interest. This SIA calculator is freely available. As you know that SIA calculators are used to measure centroid SIA. The value of centroid SIA is used in toric calculators, and it is also used to calculate mean SIA of different type of MSICS incisions, which is useful to plan the size and the site of incision to reduce astigmatism. Disadvantages of the present SIA calculators are the registration and access is not user friendly. Every time new data sheet is filled, if the size or site of incision is changed, simultaneous analysis of different type of incision is not possible. They are based on vector methods, so they can't measure the rotation of the steep axis. As you know that incision on the cornea will change the cylindrical power of the cornea, and there occur rotation of the steep axis also. Vector method use this formula to measure SIA. In polar method, SIA is measured as two perpendicular components which are called as polar vector. One is Kp phi, which measure the change in cylindrical power, and second is Kp phi plus 45, which measure rotation of the steep axis. You can access it by scanning the QR code, log in by your email ID and set the password. The input datasheet is in Excel sheet format. Only one datasheet is required for all type of incisions. Results and graphs are displayed on single screen for easy evaluation. Results include SIA by both vector and polar method, and it also calculate coupling ratio, change in spherical equivalent, success in diopter means how much cylindrical power is increased or decreased due to incision. Mean, median, quantile and standard deviation of results are also displayed. This is centroid SIA graph by vector method. It is same as that of Dr. Warren Hill SIA calculator. This is centroid SIA graph by polar method. The SIA is calculated by bivariate analysis of two components of the SIA. One represents the change in cylindrical power of cornea and the second represents rotation of steep axis. Simultaneously, analysis of different size and site of incision is possible by selecting appropriate combinations from this table. For validation, we compare 10 cases with Dr. Warren Hill SIA calculator, which use vector method, and with Dr. Neil Alpine SIA calculator, which use polar method. The results are exactly same. So the advantage of this SIA calculator is it is specially designed for cataract surgery. It can be accessed anytime on mobile also. It calculates centroid SIA and mean SIA by both polar and vector method. Input data entry is easy in Excel sheet format. Results and graphs are displayed on single screen for easy evaluation. Simultaneous analysis of different type of incision is possible. Thank you for your time.